Hey guys, today I will tell you how to add a debit card to your crypto.com account. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open the crypto.com application on your mobile device. Navigate to the buy option visible on the main screen. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase even if it's just the minimum amount. For example, choose USDT from the available options. You will see various payment methods including your fiat wallet, but look for credit or debit card option. If you don't have a debit card linked yet, you will only see options like Apple Pay. To add a debit card, tap Add Payment Method. Select credit or debit card from the available options. Enter your debit card details, including card number, expiration date, and CVV. Complete the process by clicking Add Card. The great advantage is that even if you don't complete a purchase, the card will remain linked to your account for future use. Your debit card is now connected and ready for transactions within the app, and that's how you add a debit card to your crypto.com account